Good morning, guys. You can see in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well, the market gapped up, and you can see this 5 minute mid of this first candle and 5 minute zone as well, where the price gapped up and it formed some kind of retracement over here, took support from this VWAP level and continued bullish further. And if you look at the premium charts in Nifty, Bank Nifty, so you can see this looks like a final sell-off candle, guys. So there are high chances in case if the market goes bearish, the market to continue towards the downside. This looked like a last sell-off candle, and you can see here this price is also trying to hold on. So let's hold on to our trade, guys, and let's analyze both the Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. You can see clearly here as the market gapped down, there might have been a lot of buyers who might have entered the market, expecting the market to go further higher. But what the market has to do is to target all those buyers who might have entered the market here. So to target all those buyers, the market has to go further up. And you can see clearly the market is trying to rally upwards, clearly broke VWAP towards the upside and moving averages are on confluence. One thing you should always keep in mind, as I have told you guys, you should always try to take trade when the price is trying to hold some kind of support at this 70 level. This is the R1 level, guys, which you can see clearly the R1 level will act as some kind of support. And after the market broke towards the upside, you can see a market retraced back to this R1 level. So in case if you might have entered long position, you could have clearly entered long position and you could have easily doubled your profit. You can see this R1 level acts as support, guys, when the market opens above this R1 level. And here you can see some sort of bearishness itself. What I expected after this rejection of this candle that the price might continue and break towards the downside, but what actually happened is that the market is trying to head higher itself. You can see clearly the premiums almost doubled here, but here you can see clearly there is no much momentum, and the market is trying to move in a sideways way. And coming to Nifty, you can see clearly after this market went higher, you can see clearly here the market is kind of forming a trend line liquidity over here. There are high chances that the market might come down as well to target all those buyers who might have entered the market. In case if the market closes below this zone or rejection from this candle high, we'll look for short position. So as I have already mentioned, this is our rejection price and another rejection price is this. So any close above below this candle or close above this candle, we'll try to exit our position, guys, and we'll enter short position if in case if the market closes below this zone, and in case the market closes above this zone, we'll continue the bull run. As you can see clearly, the market actually gapped up and all moving averages 837 points of gap up, and clear sentiment that the market is bullish itself. But to trap all those buyers, there might be high chances that the market would continue bearish from here. You can see price rejection from here. So there are high chances that in case if you want to enter short position, you can actually enter short position. We shouldn't see a close above this candle, guys. And we should see here also the price was trying to hold on, but here also the price tried to reject. And you can see clearly here where the market trying to break this structure high. So we'll consider this high also in case if the market breaks high, there are high chances that the bull run might continue further as well. You can see here the price almost reached to this level. And if you consider 23,500, almost 23,540 level, there was a very good premium moves in Sensex, guys. You can see clearly all the way from 70 to 170, 100 points up rally, clearly signifying. But here you can see price also is holding on. A close below this level is what we are expecting. Here you can see even in Nifty also the price is trying to hold on. So there are high chances that the market might continue bullish from here. Or you can see clearly this trend line liquidity. If this liquidity is being broken towards the downside, There are high chances it might go bearish, but let's hold on to our analysis. Clearly, you can see clearly the market broke towards the downside, guys, clearly signifying bullish momentum, bearish momentum. You can actually enter a short position here, keeping your stop loss just above this and targeting all the way. If you consider this swing, this low to this high, and you can target all the way to 1.68 level, guys. Your stop loss you can just place above this candle itself. So if after this close below this candle, you should see any rejection of price here. If you consider this bearishness, so if any price is rejecting here from here, there are high chances that the market would continue further bearish. So a close below and a close below this level is now what we are considering, and our stop loss is fixed, guys. But as of now, my current sentiment is bullish only. You can say all VWAP as well as this 9 and 21 moving average are all in confluence itself, guys. So there is no need for us to consider the market to go bearish. But just to trap all those buyers, the market has to go bearish, guys. And there is a very good probability that the market would continue further selling towards the downside. So you can see clearly here is where the market broke this structure with no fair value gaps, guys. So there is very high chances the market would come all the way here as well. Here you can see a little bit of liquidity, but the market actually broke towards the downside. And there is very good chance here the price is taking support over here. So let's wait and watch. In case if the market clearly breaks this way up towards the downside, there might be further huge momentum towards the downside as well. You can see here the price is trying to take, there is a rejection of price as well. And if you consider the common point between this and this, you can see that will confluence to the 550 level over here. This is the 550. So there is a lot of confluence to take long position, guys, but today is expiry day. So there is, I expect a sort of manipulation in today's market. Let's take this out. So as you can see clearly the price is trying to break this level as well. So there is very high chances that this liquidity is being broken towards the downside. You can see this liquidity, it clearly broke and there is no need for this to take as well. And you can see a close below this zone is what we are expecting, guys. And you can see in premium charts where the price is trying to hold certain kind of support over here and continue further bullish. You can see both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, both call and put premiums are increasing. And here you can see clearly the price took support over here. And in case if you want to look for a bearish outlook, this is our bearish outlook, guys. It goes above this zone. So we can break here to this break, this candle itself. Let's keep it this way itself. There are high chance that the market would continue bearish, guys. So in case if you want to take short positions, let's wait for the close candle. Sensex. You can see the market is trying to break, guys, with very good premium moves. Premium has moved too much, guys. Yeah, we thought of entering around 90 or 91. It's almost double now. What should I tell you? My actual trade expectation was here to enter my trade position. But as soon as this bearish candle is where I thought of entering. And you can see clearly the market is trying to break towards the downside to target all those buyers who might have entered the market. You can see a clear trendline liquidity as well, which has been broken towards the downside. And you can consider the 100% move here. This low you could have easily targeted. This is our target one. You can see this way up. This is 100% move. You can see this kind of rejection candle, guys. This clearly signifies some sort of bullishness itself. There is nothing bearishness in this market. So it's better to exit our trade, guys. And our target is done. It's better to exit. We can actually, like if you might have entered here when I told the bullish momentum from 99 to all the way to 192, guys, 100 100 points more towards the upside. So there is high chances the market will continue further bullish. So you can see clearly this rejection candle of price. And if you consider this fib of this candle, where the price is was holding just mid of this candle, there are very high chances that the market will break all these structures towards the upside and continue further bullish momentum. So for the people who wants to take long position now, can actually enter longs here, guys. You can enter long position like here, keeping your stop loss just below this candle and target towards the upside. This momentum we have predicted, and now we are expecting the market to go further high. You can see the we have broke towards the downside, and you can see rejection from this candle as well. But you can, and there might be a lot of sellers who might have entered the market after seeing this rejection candle, expecting the market to go further lower after seeing this break of structure. But this is just a shock, guys, just to trap all those buyers who might have entered the market, and the sellers to enter the market. In both buyers and sellers are also getting trapped over here, because if the market continues further bullish towards the upside, a lot of buyers might have come and all might have been profit, and there might be no liquidity. For trapping all those buyers, the market has to come here. And seeing this momentum, a lot of sellers might have entered the market expecting the market to go further low. But what happened is that again the market takes supports and the market goes further towards the upside. But let's hold on to our trade, guys. Let's see like how the market behaves. You can see clearly the VWAP has been broken towards the upside. So let's take this as out as well. So there are very high chances the market will continue further bullish. So you can expect a very good premium moves over here. A minimum target of here, guys. Now, see, I told you after this bearish candle, only I thought of expecting it to go lower. Seeing this last final bullish sell-off candle, there is very less probability the market will continue further towards the downside. But here you can see clearly that the market broke, initiated all the sellers to enter market, and again trapping all those sellers as well. So as of now, my sentiment is still bullish only, guys. And this short trade I have taken, and this you can see at around 926. If you might have entered it around 926, this was the candle, guys, and you could have entered midway between this candle, keeping your stop loss just here. And you can see clearly the market rallied from 99 to 192, clearly doubling your profit, guys. You might have to extra your capital as well. And here you can see the market took support from this R1 level. This is a very good sign that the market is really bullish, guys, when all moving averages are in confluence, as well as moving VWAP is in confluence. You can see clearly that this R1 level acts as a huge support. What I thought here was that after this bullish candle and price rejecting here, we should never look at premium charts, guys, because premium charts are very confusing. So if you try to take decisions based on premium charts, uh, it's very confusing. So what I thought was this final sell-off candle and further continue towards the downside, because you can see here at around 920, you can see this 922, this candle, guys, and this candle is as well. And there was very less chance the market will continue further bearish. High chance the market would go bearish, but you can see clearly the market is trying to hold and continue further towards the upside from 70 all the way to 270, guys. 2xing your capital. This is almost like 2x, guys. And if you look at index, guys, you can see index is trading around 14. So there is good momentum. And Bank Nifty, though, you can see clearly the market kind of sought some kind of rejection candles over here and continue further towards the upside. This is a pure trendline liquidity, and the price was holding above this 5-minute zone as well as this fib of the candle. So a high chance the market would continue bullish. So the market rallied all the way up, and you can see clearly price took support from this VWAP and continued a 100-point rally towards the upside. And here you can see after this bearish candle, a lot of small dodgy candles clearly signifying bearishness. And here you can see this PE trade, but this CE trade has gone very well, guys, as both premiums are moving towards good direction. Our TP1 has been done, guys, As soon as this candle found and this candle found, I told you to enter long position here, keeping your stop loss here. So our take profit one has been done. The high chances the market would go all the way here. So let's keep this low to this high. So there are high chances that the market might reach all the way here. This is our target take profit too. So we are expecting a rally till here, guys. And our stop loss will be here itself. There are high chance that the market would go all the way here. So this is our take profit too. And once this is done, guys, we'll exit our position. And we can expect a downfall from here as well. If you try to look at higher time frames to see if any support or resistance, you can see clearly here there is clear fair value gap over here. So this liquidity to be taken, the market will come, grab this liquidity. This is the fair value gap. There are high chances that the market will come to this liquidity, fair value gap, grab this liquidity and further selling towards the downside. So we are exiting midway between this as well. So once if the price reaches midway between here, this is our zone. This is our actual exit point. But in case if the market even exits, touches anywhere this and forms some kind of rejection, we'll exit our position, guys. And you can see clearly one point between this, one point between this. We'll try to keep here for safer purpose. Somewhere between here, guys. We'll try to exit our position. You can see clearly at around 9:32, we thought of entering at 9:32, guys. This is where keeping your stop loss just below this pip, around 20 points of stop loss, and you could have targeted from 150 to 170 to 320, guys. The market below here, and the price is trying to move towards our zone as well. This is our exit point as well. Here you can see clearly the market broke this 5-minute zone as well as mm, this mid of this candle, first candle, and after this market broke here, took support from this 21 moving average and formed a bullish engulfing pattern covering whole this body, guys, clearly signifying a lot of bullishness. And keeping your stop loss mid of this candle and the low of this candle, your stop loss, and you could have targeted all the way here, and you could have exited your position till you here, guys. I think there is no point of us holding on to a trade, guys. You can see clearly our target is almost being reached. So there are high chances from here the market would continue further towards the downside. So if you want to enter short position, you could keep your stop loss at above that point and target all the way to this liquidity, guys. This is a very good liquidity over here. Throughout the day, the market, there are high chances the market would continue and come all the way here as well. This is one trade setup which I am very confident of. If you want to look for bearishness, there are high chances the market might show some sort of bearishness after this bullish momentum. A lot of buyers might have entered all the way here to target all those buyers. A long-term buyers like the people who might have been holding futures and all. To target all those buyers, the market has to come and fill up this liquidity. Look at this, guys. Clearly, your profit, your target level has been reached. This fair value gap is what we have targeted. So the market went all the way to this fair value gap, reached that zone. Look at this, guys. Rejection candle. You can see our target has been hit. I think there is no need for me to explain you further. There are high chances that the price might reject here. So once if you see some sort of bearishness, it's better to exit, guys. And I think my trade analysis is helpful, guys. So you can see rejection of price from here, and the high chances the market would go bearish from here. So it's better to exit your positions. Here you have doubled your profit. Here you have doubled your profit, almost doubling your profit, guys. It's not like 100%. If you have invested 1 lakh, you would have almost got 2 lakhs here. Look at this, guys, rejection candle. If you have taken my trade here, this is 100% move. You can see clearly from all the way at around 97 to 192. And another trade which I have told you to take here after this bullish momentum, look for long side till here. This is at around 932, I told you. And if you might have entered at 932 from 170 to 339, guys, 330, not 340, 346, I think. It's almost doubling your profit. This is what trade analysis is, what, guys. So you can see how I easily shifted from puts to calls, and here there was just a pullback, guys, and you can see clearly after that also I took 2 trades in live market, and I hope my trading knowledge is helpful, guys, for you. Please like, share, and comment, guys. Thank you.